I only know how much I have to put myself through or get myself up to be able to get through whatever I have to get through. And I don't want the world to see it and know it, honestly, because I'm happier if they just know this side of me. No, sorry, we can't see you in this lead part. You do the friends part, or you do some other character, or you do something else. And you know, उस वक्त तो आपको वो placard लिखना पड़ता था, where you write age, your gender, and you write height. तो वो height का ना 3 बार मैं 5 के बाजू का मिटा के कुछ और लिख देती थी. Just to, in a placard, to not say what my real height is, because if I had written it, they would have rejected me, saying ये height की लड़की नहीं चलती. Signed है, hero नहीं था, director नहीं था, producer नहीं था, मैं signed थी सिर्फ. And suddenly the film went on fast track, and we're doing it. They got a good hero, they got a good director, everything got set up. And they called me and they said, we don't want to do it with you now. I said, what do you mean? I'm signed for 3 years. 3 years I'm waiting, and I've supported and I've stood by this film. But I unfortunately saw one cut of a certain, whatever, asset. I don't want to say what asset it is. And then I saw the final one that came out, and I said, पहले मैं तो मैं थी, इसमें तो मैं unceremoniously cut out. Dream Girl 2023 में आई है, हम 2025 में बैठे, 2 साल हो गए. So I'm very glad कि 2 साल बाद ये टॉपिक और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन लोगों ने ऐसे किया है. But this brings me back to the one question you asked me before this, where लोगों की आँख में और नज़र में ही नहीं आया कि ये गलत हुआ, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? I mean, from 4 boys wanting to have fun. When I was on screen going through rape, they were making it sexual. And I sat there and I froze. I couldn't move left or right. I said, huh? It broke me. It broke me to a point where I could not act for 2 years. I could not watch another film or anybody else act for 2 years. I just sat at home.
In this age of social media and trolling, there are very few actors who are still authentic, real, honest, and unapologetically speaking their hearts out. Before this interview, I texted her telling that, listen, इस इंटरव्यू में सब बोलना पड़ेगा. And she was like, तू देख, मैं सब बोलूँगी. And honestly, I'm sitting with a blank slate because I genuinely know what I want to speak to her about. Without further ado, welcoming Nusrat Bharucha in conversation with me only on Nayan Sense. Thank you so much.
Thank you. But I want to ask you, what is Nayan Sense? Like, I'm really intrigued.
So, of course,
पीछे लगा हुआ अंदर कोई questions तो है नहीं, blank है. तो Nayan Sense है क्या?
So branding के लिए. So basically, it's my name, Nayan. Yes. I had to put it somewhere. I just feel like I've stepped aside from media today, right? I'm not doing a media job because for the longest time people told me like, "अरे ये तो influencer बन रहा है," and it's like it's looked down upon thing. Honestly, money is very important. So influencer, non-influencer, media, whatever you call me, I'm okay with the labels. But of course, when I started my own, so I was thinking of a name, good name. तो मुझे लगता है कि आज के ज़माने में, जैसे मैंने बोला, सोशल मीडिया ट्रोलिंग तो है, but media does a lot of nonsense, and I stand away from that. So I've no nonsense, only Nayan Sense.
Like that.
Thank you. But
okay,
my
let's go.
God,
as promised, I'm here with a cup of coffee. You're my first interview
Spilling
on
the coffee.
podcast of the day. So I'm fresh, bright enough. And honestly, you might have to put some filters on this interview.
No, I will not. You know me. Our last interview has gone crazy viral. Just for your honesty, let me be very honest about it. Listen, I'll start off from where it started, right?
Okay.
Did you always want to become an actor?
No. I was actually very shy of being in the spotlight. A little bit of that is still existing. You give me 3 extra compliments and I will run. I can't take the attention, I think. I think somewhere I like being that normal girl next door. I don't want the whole room to look at me. I want that one person to look at me, bus. Not 30, 40 people to look at me. I don't need that kind of validation, appreciation.
Never needed it.
Never needed it. I'm saying not as an actor, as a girl.
As a person, yeah.
एक लड़की का भी होता है ना, attention चाहिए होता है. मुझे कभी नहीं चाहिए थी. I always wanted to be just on the side behind and like be in my own space and bubble. तो being an actor तो never came to my mind. In fact, बचपन में जब family photos होती थी, I would run. I said, why am I in a picture? I don't want to stand and pose and like smile. I don't want that photo only where I'm there. So my mom and dad had to really bribe me. Chocolate दे देंगे, यहाँ ले जाएंगे, वहाँ का ले जाएंगे. I remember when I was in school, we had a theatre, like a dramatic teacher, and he wanted me to go on stage, wear this short skirt and this very cute alternate, and we were kids, so that time they were cute clothes, and sing a song, and I cannot sing. So he wanted me to rap something. And I said, I'm not going to do it. That's not happening. That's not happening. You know how he got me to do it? He said, if you do this for me, where everybody in school is dying to be on stage and be cast in a part and be in the limelight, I'm like, mujhe nahi karna. He said, I'll take you to McDonald's and treat you to whatever you want. McDonald's was a very big thing.
Big thing tab.
I said, my parents are not taking me. So I said, आप मुझे McDonald's में lunch कराओगे? हाँ. मैंने कहा 2 चाहिए. I want 2 lunches. एक से नहीं होगा. There's no one free thing. 2 चाहिए. So he said, okay, done. And I swear I've gone on stage out of a favor, like literally. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो कपड़े पहन लेते हैं. अच्छा ठीक है, 2 लाइन गा लेती हूँ. Okay, 2 ऐसे हाथ घुमा लेती हूँ. McDonald's कब जाए? That was my only agenda. So I've never ever thought of being an actor when I was growing up. It's nothing that ever occurred to me. When someone would tell me go on stage, I'd be like, are you mad? मुझे कौन देखेगा? Are you crazy? I'm sorry, I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm happier backstage, fixing lights, fixing curtains, fixing table chairs. Like I'm that person. I like to do the setup. I don't like to be in the spotlight.
But you come from a space where, you know, there are no filmy connections. And we've spoken so much about it in the, when, like even at parties, I've seen you socially awkward in places, right? Like even if you know people, you're in one corner. A lot of people who come from the outside actually still face social anxiety being so many years. Kitne saal ho gaye? 12 years if I'm not mistaken that you're in the industry. You still have that social anxiety. How do you deal with it?
You know, actually I don't think I have social anxiety. I really don't.
But you feel out of place.
I feel out of place. I feel like I enter a room or a party or anything, and if I can't find 2 people who I know, who are my familiars, then I don't know how to get through the room. Like, I don't know how you go up to people you don't know. जिनकी आप जानते हो उन्हें, but किसी ने formal like क्या बोलते हैं introduction नहीं कराया. So how can I go up and talk to that person? I find it very odd. You have to introduce me. There has to be something. Hi, hello. I can't go and do it on my own. So I think my first few parties were just stressful because I didn't know who to stand with and who to talk, because I didn't know anyone. That's when I first realized, why is this insider outsider term so, देखो हम तो बोल लेते हैं, but why are people connecting to it? Because it somewhere cuts through them, and you can only cut through that if you've felt it. And I've gone to these parties and understood that, you know, why it's difficult for an outsider, because all the insiders know each other. So this is a comfortable space for them. They don't know what it is to walk into like an alien place where you don't know anyone, you don't know who to talk to, you don't know who to hang with. It was tough.
But did you ever feel snubbed at any party like that?
Yeah. I think, I don't think people do it deliberately, and I'm not trying to be balanced here, please. I'm not that person. But I really cannot blame a person for something I'm not sure they've done. That's something I'm just a little responsible about. What happens, Nayan, is it happens even with us. Abhi tu aur main ek dusre ko jante hain, we'll meet at a party, so we'll stand in a circle. Right?
That's true.
Now somebody will come, they'll want to stand and talk to us, but we don't really know them. So we'll just be like, hi, okay, like, what's up? That person will feel like, okay, maybe I'm not welcome here. What happens at parties is, because people know each other, they form like a huddle. And that huddle feels impenetrable by someone else who's just walked in. So I feel like, okay, I can't go stand in this group because maybe they're doing their own conversation and I shouldn't be privy to it, and they don't want me to hear things. Maybe this group doesn't really want me there, maybe. So every party na groups ban jata hai. तो आपको आइडिया नहीं होता आप कहाँ जाओ, किसके साथ खड़े रह के बात करो, क्या करो. Means I swear at some parties I've stood at the bar and said, हाँ भाई कहाँ से आते हो आप, क्या है ये drink, how did you make this cocktail? I'm like, okay, I'll talk to the bartender for 10 minutes till I'm able to, get my grounding at this party.
But when you start off like that, without any connections, you also go through so much more struggle, right? Like, honestly, in terms of struggle, I mean, like, it's not just financial always, it's also emotional struggle. Like you're constantly dealing with like self-doubt. In the beginning, did you deal with that when you were auditioning? Because so many things are actually said at auditions also.
Yeah. And then, you know, I'm not the perfect, or not perfect तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. I'm not the mold that fit into an actress mold. Of course, I have my own set of setbacks and negatives. Everybody has negatives. But at that time, the criteria was so high that a lot of things were not acceptable. Okay, no, sorry, we can't see you in this lead part. You do the friend's part, or you do some other character, or you do something else. And to go to an audition, and okay, so I never went to an acting school. So what I did for myself was, I said I'll go to every audition I know from morning to night. Just so I do different auditions, different characters, and I learn on the job. So to खुद से जाना उन ऑडिशंस में जहाँ आपको कैमरा ऑन करने से पहले बोल दिया जाता है कि आपका नहीं होगा इधर. And there's a whole room full of girls who are looking at you and saying, नहीं होगा तेरा. And you're looking at everybody and I'm like, that's okay, but can I still just do the test? Can I just do it? I want to just do it. आप मत भेजो आगे भी, चलेगा मेरे को, कर ले तो लेना तू. I've done even that. I've sat through and done auditions even then, when I know it's not even going to get sent ahead.
But what ran actually within?
I think it took the most amount of strength to get up every day, to get ready, to go in front of those cameras, to go into those offices, to do those and come out of them absolutely alone. I didn't have a single friend who came with me. I didn't have anybody from the family who came with me. So to come back after that audition and sit in the car, I think 90% of those auditions I have cried after I've done them. I've come back, I've sat in the car, cried a little bit, wiped my own tears, gone home to my family pretending like everything is fine because I didn't want to worry them, because if they saw their only daughter crying like that, they'd be like, pack up beta, nahi ho raha hai ye. तो मुझे नहीं पता है नयन, and I've said this in interviews before, कि अंदर से ना पता नहीं कुछ एक आवाज़ थी यार, that said कोई बात नहीं, कल फिर से उठेंगे, कल फिर से करेंगे. मुझे नहीं पता है, मुझे मेरे अंदर वो एक फाइटिंग सोल या फाइटिंग स्पिरिट, या भले वो चिंगारी ऐसे 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 होती रही बट वो जलती रही, वो बुझी नहीं. I kept going back every day. I knew I'm going to feel like shit. I knew I'm going to be treated badly. I knew I'm going to feel less in front of every other actor auditioning there. But I would still go and do it.
But what were the meanest things that you had to face that time that actually took a hit at your self-belief, self-esteem?
तो मैं ना, I was not a very typically groomed girl. मतलब मैं चश्मे पहनती थी, मेरे बाल अनकेप्ट थे, मेरे को हील्स पहनना नहीं आता था. I didn't know how to dress up in appropriate dresses for auditions. I would wear jeans and ganjis and jeans and tops and be very normal, which at that time was not something you could do in front of a camera. They needed you to dress up and come. मुझसे वो होता नहीं था. So I think the meanest thing I've heard is when I was sitting in a room and they thought I was one of the coordinators. They didn't think I was there to audition because I didn't even look auditionable. So one of those people said that, "Arey, what are you doing? Why don't you just, circulate the paper and get all these people's contacts and numbers in?" And I'm like, why should I do it? So they were like, "But what else?" I said, "I'm actually here to audition." So his look was, "Huh? No." And I'm like, yeah, I would like to audition.
But when we did that interview and we spoke about everything that you've been through, the height shaming has been a major part of it, right?
Yes.
Today you've proved it to a lot of people. Initially, even when Rani Mukherjee came in, she faced a lot of that. She faced a lot of criticism about her voice as well.
Yeah.
But today it's iconic. People love it. People love them for standing true to their belief system, right? But when you have not delivered a film, were there moments where people, like back in school, maybe during auditions, said anything that really, like, it is something that, I have accepted the way I am today, but in the beginning, for you to come to terms with it and to understand that okay, I am okay to be different from the crowd and I'm okay to be who I am. It takes that much time, okay, and effort. किसी के लिए थोड़ा जल्दी होता है, किसी के लिए थोड़ा देर से. But how much time did it take you, and what were the meanest things that you had to deal with vis-a-vis this?
Too thin, कपड़े हैंगर की तरह लगते हैं उसके ऊपर. Because when I was young, I was really like thin, like lanky. फ्रेम शॉर्ट, मतलब हाइट क्या है आपकी. एंड यू नो उस वक्त तो आपको वो प्लकार्ड लिखना पड़ता था, वे यू राइट एज, योर जेंडर एंड यू राइट हाइट. तो वो हाइट का ना 3 बार मैं 5 के बाजू का मिटा के कुछ और लिख देती थी, जस्ट टू इन अ प्लकार्ड टू नॉट से व्हाट माई रियल हाइट इज़. बिकॉज इफ आई रिटन इट दे वुड हैव रिजेक्टेड मी, सेइंग ये हाइट की लड़की नहीं चलती. भले आपका टैलेंट क्या है क्या नहीं वो इरेलीवेंट है, बट हाइट ही नहीं चलेगा. तो मैंने वो चीज़ें भी की हैं कि अरे हाइट चेंज कर दो, लास्ट का वो 4 लिख दो, 5 लिख दो, 5 लिख दो, क्या पता चलेगा लोगों को. बट आई डोंट नो यार. आई थिंक लाइक यू सेड रानी मुखर्जी, इट टुक अ Karan Johar to say that no, I see her as my heroine.
Yeah.
Even if the world doesn't. I like something about her which is not fitting perfectly, but that for me is why I want to cast Rani Mukherjee.
Her voice was actually dubbed in Gulam,
Yeah.
and Karan was the one, she said it in my interview,
That
that
keep your
Karan
original voice.
retained her voice.
For me, that was Love Ranjan.
Yes.
It was him. Because before that, I played a character in LSD. But he said, heroine tu hai. And I was like, kya? No. I thought I was cast because again in LSD, there were, in Pyar Ka Panchnama, there were a lot of actors. So again, I thought character role होगा. ठीक है. और तब तक I was like, ठीक है, काम करते हैं, काम से ही काम मिलता रहेगा, कोई बात नहीं, कैरेक्टर तो कैरेक्टर. यार नयन, I don't think anybody knows this also, but you know there's a Remo's troupe of dancers. Back then, I was in the background dancing with them in certain films, and then Pyar Ka Panchnama happened, and Remo sir was doing one song, and I didn't even know that those people were there, and I walked out of the vanity. एंड लव सर सेड जा सेंटर में खड़ी रहे, बी रोल्स कर रहे हैं ब्यूटी शॉट्स के, तो पूरा गाना ऐसे ही नाच, तेरे को जैसा नाचना है, नो कोरियोग्राफी. आई हैव वॉकड अप इन द फ्रंट एंड एवरी डांसर फ्रॉम द बैकग्राउंड हैज सेड नुशात नुशात, एंड आई वाज लाइक वो एंड आई टर्न्ड अराउंड, अरे अरे
अपने लोग,
अरे आई हैव मेट देम लाइक दैट एंड दे हैव सेड भाई तू सेंटर आ गई, यू आर इन फ्रंट ब्रो, यू आर नॉट एट द बैक. एंड आई वाज लाइक गाइस स्टॉप इट. They've given me the loudest cheer, dude, loudest cheer. And even then, that time, Love Sir, Remo Sir was like, "हो क्या रहा है?" मतलब, and I said, I just know these guys. I mean, I've been there, standing at the back, dancing, cheering in the crowd, because that you start there, you start from the back. But that day when I was center and when they said it, it really like it hit me. I said, yeah, I've made that journey from back to front, and I'm here.
You know, LSD and Pyar Ka Panchnama gave us wonderful outsider actors. One of the last few films that actually gave us so many together,
Yeah.
who are ruling today, right? And which is the best part about. I think Love Sir, when even after doing, like, he made sure he kept doing multiple films with his people, because everybody has a gang, right? The industry has lobbies. Let's be very honest. And more than nepotism, the problem is favoritism. Sometimes you're an outsider, but you're in that lobby and you will get favored. Do you believe that?
Yes, I do. I believe that, and I don't necessarily want to demean that or say that's a wrong thing, because यार किसी को तो मौका मिला यार, कोई बात नहीं. चलो कोई किसी की फेवरेट है, कोई किसी का लॉबी है, उस लड़की और उस लड़के को एक करियर तो मिला, वो आज अपने पैरों पे खड़े होकर पैसे कमा तो रहा है, अपना घर चला तो रहा है. इट्स ओके यार. किसी ने किसी के लिए किया ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I have said this. I mean, I know there are camps and there are lobbies and people work with similar people. When I go to those meetings, I say it, I know, sir, you'll only work with them, and that's great. I love it. But in case that person is not working out for some reason, in case you're doing something where, you know, I'm right here.
But has it worked out in your favor ever?
Not yet. But what I mean is, I don't see it differently. I see it very upliftingly. I'm very happy for people who repeat their actors and who work with them again, because guys, if you don't believe in your own people, then why are we expecting other people to believe in it?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I remember doing this conversation with Kriti, also another outsider today who's doing really, really well, touch wood. She said that there was a film that she was almost locked for, like it is almost done, like she knew that she's doing it, but last minute she got to know that she's been replaced by a star kid because of industry connections. Has that ever happened to you?
मेरा थोड़ा अलग था. I was not almost locked, I was locked. I was the only person signed on that film for 3 years. Film never took off for 3 years. Things were happening. Then finally everything fell in place and I have a signed contract of that film lying in my house till date. I will not say the film because I have no interest in discrediting anyone or, you know, picking up a fight. There's no reason. There's no need. Signed है. Hero नहीं था, director नहीं था, producer नहीं था. मैं signed थी सिर्फ. And suddenly the film went on like fast tracked and we're doing it. They got a good hero, they got a good director, they got a good, everything got set up. And they called me and they said, we don't want to do it with you now. I said, what do you mean? I'm signed for 3 years. 3 years I'm waiting and I've supported and I've stood by this film. Even when it had nobody else. मतलब मेरा तो कोई और एजेंडा था ही नहीं ना. ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे ये हीरो मिलेगा, मुझे डायरेक्टर मिलेगा. मैं तो सब्जेक्ट और फिल्म को सपोर्ट करके 3 साल बैठी थी. I said, for what? But it wasn't a star kid who got cast. It was the flavor of the season that got cast. Somebody who had just become very popular and it was a smarter decision for them to take the more popular name over me at that time. I felt bad, but I felt okay because it was somebody else getting a chance.
No, but don't you feel cheated in such moments?
Of course I do. Of course I do. And of course I had voiced it and of course I called people and of course I said, I mean, guys, if I wasn't locked for it, it's okay. You have a choice to say, नुसरत नहीं कोई और, ये नहीं चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. कल मैं जगह जाऊंगी कुछ खरीदने या कुछ लाने तो मैं अपने चॉइस से लूँगी, कोई बात नहीं है. बट मैं लॉक थी यार, मैं साइन थी, मेरे पास कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पड़ा है. फिर आप कैसे, क्योंकि somebody else has just become very popular, you want to go with the tide.
But who was the one who approached you then? Like, what was the kind of position that they had in the making of the movie? Who approached you for it?
I think they were the presenters or basic studio, however you want to call it. So I was signed with them. And then everybody else was brought into the picture.
The studio still exists?
Of course.
No, there are many who have shut shop.
No, this one exists. And you never know, I might do another film with them. And you might not even know who they are.
I will definitely know after this.
Oh, you'll be shocked to know. You'll be shocked to know the film. No, nobody knows. I've never said it. I've never said it to even friends. कि ये हुआ है. I don't think my PR team or management team also
Did the film do well?
Not so much. Not so much.
You know, I have to ask you this because right now I'm also in that mind frame जहाँ पे तेरी और मेरी बात हुई है. Do you feel that as a person, you constantly have to prove yourself? अगर कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बड़े लकी होते हैं, ठीक है, कि उन्होंने 2 मूवीज हिट कर दी तो तीसरी बार मूवी नहीं भी चली, चौथी मूवी भी नहीं चली तो 5वीं मूवी मिल जाती है. मतलब बार बार जाके अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी, अपनी बैंकेबिलिटी प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Like, I'm going through that phase, okay, and I'm being very honest with you. Like, when I was with Pink Villa from DNA, I had to prove myself because I was doing video journalism. When I was with Bollywood Bubble, because Bollywood Bubble was a smaller page compared to Pink Villa at that point, I had to prove myself. When I started Galata from zero, I had to prove myself. I've started my own. The same people who always told me that you should do on your own, they also question me sometimes. And it gets to you. I'm being very honest. It does get to you. Does it become difficult ever? जितना भी मतलब कर लो कि हम में वो ताकत है कि प्रूव कर देंगे, बट बुरा नहीं लगता कि कितने बार करे भाई?
बहुत बुरा लगता है. It's almost like everything you've done actually amounts to nothing, accounts for nothing. I have to actually ask, मैंने कहा आपने पिक्चरें देखी है मेरी? नहीं देखी है तो I can understand why there is a question and a doubt. But people who've seen it also still have that thing. You still have to go to every meeting. मैं तो पिक्चर तो बहुत दूर की बात है ब्रो, मीटिंग में भी आपको प्रूव करना पड़ता है कि why is it a good decision to have me in this film or why is it a good thing to work with me. And I'm seriously not someone who does this, but this तो is a very proven fact. इसमें ना जेंडर बहुत ज़्यादा प्ले करता है.
Absolutely bro.
एक लड़के की एक पिक्चर हिट हो जाए, कोई भी लड़का हो, इनसाइडर हो आउटसाइडर हो, उसको 5 ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. एंड ये मैं प्यार का पंचनामा 1 से बोल रही हूँ.
Yeah.
मेरे फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू से आप ले लो. मैंने बोला है, मैंने कहा हम में से अगर एक लड़का हिट हो गया तो उसको 10 ऑप्शन ज़्यादा मिलेंगे, बट हमें फिर भी वही जद्दोजहद में लगना पड़ेगा. फॉर अ गर्ल टू ब्रेक आउट and get those options. I am not saying she has to overnight become like a sensation or something. No. What does an actor want? उसकी एक पिक्चर चली, उसको एक दूसरी तीसरी पिक्चर के ऑप्शन चाहिए. That's it. उसको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ चाहिए. That's it. हमें उतनी नहीं मिलती जितने एक हीरो को मिलती है अगर उसकी पिक्चर ने बिजनेस कर दिया तो. Which is just.
But hero worshipping has been a part of the business. Have you ever faced the brunt of it? कि कहीं पे हुआ कि your roles have gotten reduced, whatever you were promised to, you were not given.
Yeah.
Favoritism, like Anushka Sharma had said something wonderful. Like it might seem small to people, but it's actually not. It's actually the mindset. Hero always gets the bigger room, the bigger car. It is not about getting the bigger car. It's about the differentiation. Have you faced any of that?
Even vanities. There are times where I have to say, Manika, can I use the hero's vanity for like 5 minutes? He's not here. You know, can I just use that loo? Because it's. I to ask the hero also, Manika, do you mind if I just use your loo? Is that possible? Because mine is not so nice. And I have said this also like this. मैं आपको कैसे बताऊँ, पता है मैं बहुत अलग सिस्टम से आती हूँ नैन, मेरा माइंड बहुत अलग चलता है. मैं उस चीज़ पे उस वक्त कंप्लेन बिकर चकड़ा नहीं कर सकती. मैं अपने माइंड में बोलूँगी, मैं अपने आप को उस मुकाम पे लेके आऊँगी जहाँ बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आप मुझे ये दोगे. Like I remember earlier days I used to fly economy, and personally in my life I don't fly economy unless there is no flight seat available and आपको उसी डेट पे जाना होता है. Then yeah, adjusting is not a problem. But if it's a choice, then even my own tickets I've always flown business class. So there was some film I was doing. I was playing a small part in that, and everybody was in business. I was put in the economy with HODs, not HODs, assistants. क्या बोलते हैं वो, costume assistant के assistants, whatever, doesn't matter. And we were flying international. It was a long flight. It was a really tough number of hours. And I had made friends with some of the people. So they from first class, business class came and said, Nush, it's okay, come sit with us. Option भी था. मैंने उस वक्त उनको बोला है, मैंने कहा मैं नहीं आऊँगी. मैंने कहा I will sit here because this is the place that's given to me. But I will bring myself to a place where they will book my business class themselves and I will fly business class on production money, not mine.
Did that happen?
Of course it happened. Of course it happened. Now I'm flying business class, everybody else is paying except me. But I fight it like that. So if I see that I'm not getting the right vanity, I just know that I have to work harder, bring myself up higher, where this discrimination cannot even exist.
No रे, कभी even if you work really hard, it doesn't matter.
But मैं
I'll tell you something.
मैं वैसे देख सकती हूँ.
मैंने ये reality है. I have always been an optimistic person, but now slowly I've gotten to understand this, that me being kind to people has not worked in my favor at all.
Oh, I've very recently burnt my hands in that manner.
What happened?
Very recently, I've helped someone out, and it's just turned a 360 on me, and I'm like, oh, interesting. I didn't think this was going to happen. Just when you think, no, yeah, people can be nice. I don't have to judge everybody from
an outer lens of my experiences. Yeah.
Why? Maybe
feel
this
the
person
same.
is different. Maybe this person is a nicer person. Maybe this person will value it. Maybe this person
you
will
give a benefit of doubt.
Acknowledge it. कि क्यों हम सब को एक ही क्लॉथ से जज करें यार. It's okay. People can be different. Guess what? No. I just got burnt. I said, oh, okay.
वो तो मेरे साथ हमेशा हो रहा है.
Cool.
Every day in life. But it's okay.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I have also come to that saying, I'm not helping you. Sorry. I have a solution. I know there's a problem and I know I can extend myself, but maybe not.
But do you sometimes feel when it comes to these kind of differential treatment, do you sometimes feel like people who are actually the ones creating issues, like the problematic people, okay, like who are essentially a problematic person, कि मुझे ये नहीं मिला तो उनको पता है कि ये तांडव कर देंगे, ठीक है, लड़का लड़की कोई भी हो, उनको खुश करने के लिए, but and then you're like, अच्छा ये तो कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे ना.
तो यही तो गंदा ट्रैप है, पता है, ये गंदा ट्रैप है. और मैंने कितने लोगों को ये बोला है, मैंने कहा guys, you know there are some actors who will crib about these things, who will make your life miserable, instead of making sure they don't get away with it, not they don't get what they want, they don't get away with this kind of behavior. आप उनको ही 10 चीज़ एक्स्ट्रा दोगे तो क्या होता है, जो आपके साथ नॉर्मल और अच्छे से बिहेव कर रहा है वो भी फिर गंदा बिहेव करने लग जाएगा.
I swear.
तो आपने क्या मॉन्स्टर क्रिएट किया? क्यों? You are feeding it. You are actually giving fodder to this behavior and this mentality.
And you know, it's so weird. I'm just talking to a management agency at this point, and they told me the first thing that we want to change in you is that it's good to be kind, but just don't be taken for granted. And you don't decide, we will decide, and you have to throw a little bit of weight around. The moment they said, I looked at them, I can't do it.
Babes, my whole team
says the same.
Every
Do I say the same to you?
Fucking time. They're like, Behan, can you just let us do this and not be this? And I said, no, guys, shut up. I don't want to shut up.
It's true.
Just
it's true, guys.
They literally said, they said, please, कोई award नहीं दे रहा, तेरे को Nobel Prize नहीं दे रहा, please, चुपचाप बैठी रहे, हमें करने दो.
But has it ever happened where, you know, you've been promised a certain part in the movie and you shot for it, and when you saw the outcome, you were not really happy because something changed? Yeah,
but you know, I'll again tell you, I'm slightly more practical like that. When I shoot something, I'm like, इसका 30% कट होने वाला है. मैं दिमाग में ऑलरेडी वो एक्सेप्ट करके चल देती हूँ कि मैंने शायद 5 दिन शूट किया, बट 3 दिन का फुटेज रहने वाला है, 2 दिन जाएगा ही जाएगा कैन में. एंड आई डोंट रियली माइंड दैट मच. आई टेल यू वाई. बिकॉज माई आउटर लेंस ऑफ इट इज़, अगर आपने वो 5 दिन का मेरा फुटेज रख भी लिया, पिक्चर हिट होने वाली है उससे. अगर मेरे 3 दिन का फुटेज रहा बट लोगों ने पिक्चर देखी, तो वो 3 दिन तो अप्रिशिएट हो जाएंगे. वो 5 दिन रखेंगे बट कोई देखेगा नहीं उस पिक्चर को, तो मैं वो 5 दिन का क्या घर पे अपने आप को. नहीं,
sometimes even, you know, actors are also insecure. Let's be very honest. Like, people are insecure.
Now there's a different question. This is a different question. What I mean, okay, I'll clarify. If I am promised कि आपका ये ऐसे होगा, but on edit, because the film length has to fit into a certain place,
then they chop it just to make it crisper. Then it's fine.
Correct. And scenes and lines that you loved and you were like, oh yaar, ये कितना अच्छा था, but it cut गया. For me, if the film is benefiting from it, cut it out. I'm not somebody who will say, उसका काटो, मेरा रखो. नहीं होगा. I'm the first person to say, सर मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं सेक्रीफाइस करती हूँ, मेरे वो 4 क्लोजअप्स हटा दो, मेरे वो 4 लाइन हटा दो, पिक्चर छोटी हो जाएगी, वो करेक्ट डिलीवर होगी. I am that person. But have I faced a place where some other actor has said, इसका ये हटा दो, इसका ये कर दो? Yes. And I would have not realized it, but I unfortunately saw one cut of a certain, whatever, asset. I don't want to say what asset it is. And then I saw the final one that came out and I said, पहले मैं तुम्हें थी, इसमें तो मैं unceremoniously cut out. मतलब मैंने इस इंटरव्यू के बाद आपको दिखाऊंगी वो एसेट, आप एक बार उस लेंस से देखना. पीपल आर नॉट यूज टू सीइंग इट लाइक दैट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट यूज टू सीइंग एक्ट्रेसेस गेट दैट मच, अनलेस दे आर वेरी बिग एक्ट्रेसेस. तो क्यों? एंड आई रियली थॉट दैट लिसन, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. ऑडियंसेस आर गोइंग टू बी लाइक, क्या है ये, इसमें कैसे? बट किसी एक इंसान को खटका भी नहीं वो. एंड वो फिल्म बहुत बड़ी हिट हुई थी. किसी एक इंसान को खटका भी नहीं कि इसमें लड़की तो है ही नहीं, लड़की का तो कुछ भी कहीं भी कट आउट हो रहा है. वेयर इज द नैरेटिव, वेयर इज इट, कहाँ है? एंड आई सैट बैक, मैंने कहा फिर तो सही है. अगर जिस ऑडियंस के लिए हम इतनी मेहनत करके पिक्चर बनाते हैं, कहानी बनाते हैं, हम एक्टिंग करते हैं, हम अपने पैर तोड़ देते हैं नाच नाच के, उनको ही नहीं खटक रहा, क्या करूँ?
It's a song.
Yeah, it's a song.
I know the song. That's why I said it. But you know, you brought out something so wonderful because आज के ज़माने में you see Reddit posts and everything and influencers.
By the way, I don't have Reddit, so I have no
nobody
idea.
needs to have Reddit. You can see the posts.
I have no idea. I actually have, if my team is sitting and reading something is when I'm like, oh.
But they're sometimes very
correct.
Very correct. Like if they stop being a little mean, they're actually correct with their points. Even if they're saying that I am actually being friendly and I'm overdoing it, I am coming across as a psycho fan, they are correct. I don't mean to say that they're not correct. Maybe something in, but I am a person who's kind to people generally. Like it doesn't have to be on camera, it's off camera also. But okay, that's fine. But on Reddit, they keep talking about, you know, certain people getting roles after roles after roles, because especially from this generation. पहले के generation में ना थोड़ा star kids भी जो आते थे, जो stick on करते थे, they used to be really talented. Suddenly from this generation, if you see, there's very little talent. Let's be very honest about it. That's why films are not working, and that's always getting questioned. But at the same time, the same audience is not coming and pushing those who really need it. Unless there's a Bhul Bhulaiya, or there's a Stree, or there is who are the other like a Mimi.
Yeah.
Okay. Outsiders, like a Taapsi's one movie or a Bhumi's one movie. But then otherwise they're not getting the support and the acknowledgement and the movies, right? How do you deal with that then?
Honestly, Nayan, unless I had a production house, shitloads of money, unless I had in-house directors or in-house writers, I won't even be able to think of how to deal with this. मतलब आपने खुद ही बोला ना, you went to this job, that job, that job. Then finally you came in a space and time right now where you can have your own show. तो you've chosen to get out.
Yeah.
वरना तो आप वही उन्हीं
करना ही पड़ता. Or who knows, someday I might have to go back if this doesn't work out financially.
तो मैं only thing I can do is find. You can't change the world, Nayan. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
The world can change the world. You need strength in numbers to make a change happen. I cannot get out and change the world. I can change myself.
But do you guys discuss this when you also have friends and, you know, acquaintances among people, especially who have come from outside, right? Do you guys have these conversations when you meet? Like, हम लोग कोशिश तो करते हैं, मूवी को इतना प्यार मिलता है, ऐसा नहीं कि मूवी को प्यार नहीं मिलता, जब OTT पे आ जाती है तो इतना प्यार मिलता है, बट मूवी जब रिलीज होती है तब कोई देखने नहीं जा रहा.
मेरे साथ हुआ है, जनित में हुआ है, अकेली में हुआ है. I still have people telling me we love Akeli, we
yeah,
love Janit.
my sister personally told me to tell you that you are fantastic in Akeli. I swear, she told me.
Thank you, Nayan sister. Thank you so much. No, but that's eventually, unfortunately, what it is. But do I leave the fight? Do I leave the conversation? No, I can't. I think people like us now, I don't know whether you want to call it stubborn or whether you want to call it mad or whether you want to call it passion, but डटे रहते हैं यार, डटे रहते हैं. मैं आज भी उठती हूँ, मेरी कोई भी पिक्चर होती है, आई एम लाइक सर व्हाट इज़ द प्लान, व्हाट आर वी डूइंग, वेयर आर वी गोइंग. ये आज जो हो रहा है ये मैं कर रही हूँ. माई टीम इज रीच्ड आउट एंड टोल्ड यू लेट्स डू दिस. फिल्म आ गई अमेजोन पे, हो गई हिट. बाय दैट आई मीन अमेजोन इज वेरी हैप्पी विथ द रिस्पॉन्स. सो इज माई प्रोड्यूसर, एवरीबडी इज वेरी हैप्पी. बट आई एम स्टिल हियर डूइंग दिस बिकॉज फॉर मी it's not just one film that comes and goes. For them, they have a lot of films that will come and go. But मेरे लिए तो वो एक stepping block है for the next thing. So I have to fight for this as much as I'm going to fight for the next one and the next one and the next one.
But कभी ऐसा हुआ है जहाँ पे you have delivered some of the biggest blockbusters also, like when there's a Pyar Ka Panchnama, Sonu Ke T2. Tell me something. After that, has it ever been like a point where you've not had work for a really long time?
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll tell you a kissa, okay? One of my films, there were lots that were hits, I'm not going to tell you which one. One of my films became a blockbuster, did great business. And I was with a certain management at that time, okay? And I'm realistic, कि जब तक मेरा ही नहीं चलेगा वो लोग क्या ही ला के देंगे. But जब फिर मेरी फिल्म हिट हो गई, चल गई, तो I was like, guys, hey, you know what? Now you'll be able to figure things out for me and I'll be able to like get some more work and whatever. My manager calls me and says, let's have coffee. So I was like, bro, there's a film offer right there, brand right there, let's go. Gone. I'm sitting very happily, sitting having coffee, chit-chatting, I'm talking about the world and all. And दिन था तो मैं चश्मे ऐसे साइड पे रखे हुए थे, मैंने कॉफ़ी चल रही थी. And that manager says, sorry, we're going to have to let you go. I said, go where? I mean, what do you mean? So they said that we can't manage you. I said, why? What do you mean? We're not able to get things done for you. ऐसे मेरी पिक्चर हिट हुई है, एक मिनट, बॉक्स ऑफिस हिट से ज़्यादा क्या होता है? व्हाट डज अ पर्सन डू बियॉन्ड दैट? एंड वो अपना रीजनिंग और जो भी था वो पिच देने लग गए। नैन पता नहीं क्या हुआ मुझे, मैंने ऐसे चश्मा उठाया है नीचे से, मैंने पहना है और मैं स्माइल करके बैठी हूँ, बट टप 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 चश्मे के पीछे से आंसू जो मेरे गिरे हैं। मैंने एक्चुअली बोला, मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं आप जाओ। दे सेड नो नो हम साथ जाएंगे। मैंने कहा नहीं आप जाओ। So they got up and they left and I sat at that cafe alone, drinking my coffee, crying after giving the biggest hit.
But what was the reason?
I don't think anybody will ever give you the right reason, नयन। वो दे ही नहीं सकते। क्या मुझे बोलेंगे? हमारे पास बैंडविथ नहीं है, हमारे पास ये नहीं है, या बोलेंगे भाई सबने मना कर दिया आपसे काम करने के लिए। ओके ठीक है, सबने अभी मना किया है, दोबारा कोशिश करते हैं, क्या हो गया? But to say after a big hit that we don't want to take you on, and it's not like I was already with that agency, not like I was signing up, I was there and I was let go. Do you know what that feeling is? It's a terrible feeling.
Yeah.
I said, when you said ना कितना proof करूँ, मैं तब थी, मैंने कहा मैं और क्या करूँ? I have sat, had that coffee, cried alone and I've gone home feeling so lost and so like it's like किसी ने मुझे ऐसे छोड़ दिया है किसी डार्क लिम्बो स्पेस में और मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं क्या करूं। I have no idea what to do and I didn't have work for that 1-2 years. That time I didn't sign on anything, I didn't do anything. But क्या था, वो हिट फिल्म के बाद था तो लोगों की आँख में नहीं आया। They just felt के ओ अभी तो हिट दी है तो सोच समझ के कर रही होगी। But the truth of the matter is I was crying that hey, I don't even have a team, I don't have a support system, and that's actually been, it's very uncanny. It doesn't happen to any actor, even a new actor, even an influencer has a support system and a team. I don't know why for me that has always been something that has never fully been there. So I end up doing everything on my own. Like I literally go knocking at doors on my own, doing my own thing on my own, and it breaks my heart. I said यार ज़्यादा नहीं मांग रही हूँ मैं literally sun, moon and stars नहीं मांग रही हूँ।
It's okay. मेरी मम्मी बोलती है कि people who are good, finally good things happen, and that's what is important. But before we get to the good things, of course, I'm going to talk about something that went viral from my interview.
From your interview.
Yeah, with you, which is you getting replaced in Dreamgirl 2.
Yes.
That day I asked you that, and as a matter of fact, you spoke about it. And you know, people have come out in your support. If you see the comments, I think you should just go and see the comments in those snippets that went viral, because they were like, oh my god, she's so much better and she deserved that opportunity, she's the one who was there in the original, all of that. I'm pretty sure if audience feels like that about you, what could have gone in your head, right? Did you never feel like just confronting them?
I till date haven't. आप ड्रीम गर्ल रिलीज कब हुई थी 2? Anybody knows the release date?
2 साल पहले, 2023.
मेरे को एग्जैक्ट डेट बताओ।
21 अगस्त 2023।
ड्रीम गर्ल 2023 में आई है, हम 2025 में बैठे हैं, 2 साल हो गए। सो आई एम वेरी ग्लैड कि 2 साल बाद ये टॉपिक और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन लोगों ने ऐसे किया है। बट दिस ब्रिंग्स मी बैक टू द वन क्वेश्चन यू आस्क्ड मी बिफोर दिस, वेर लोगों की आँख में और नज़र में ही नहीं आया कि ये गलत हुआ, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? 2 साल पहले हुआ था ना ये, तो क्यों नहीं किसी की आँख और नज़र में ये गलत आया? वाई हैज़ योर वीडियो गॉन वायरल नाउ 2 years later? भाई पिक्चर रिलीज़ होके, कास्ट होके, अपना बिजनेस करके ख़त्म हो गया। They've all done their thing, I have moved on and I am doing my thing. I am here promoting my film 2 years later, doing a solo lead, making my own path, making my own way. I have moved on from that. I didn't confront anybody then, I'm not going to confront anybody now, because like I said in that interview, choice है यार।
But what was your first reaction? How did you get to know? Did you, Dreamgirl 2 was announced after the success of Dreamgirl. मतलब पता ही था कि इसका franchise बनने वाला है, and even you know, it was out in the media also. When was it that you realized that you are not being a part of it?
Tough question. But it was, I think, when I was promoting another film of mine, and in those interviews, because I guess the media must have found out, because internally I don't know how it works. मुझे तो वैसे भी घर बैठे बैठे पता ही नहीं चलता क्या हो रहा होता. I don't know which rock I live under. But it was one of those interviews somebody asked me. And I wanted to actually say, I said, no, of course it's me only. But then I stopped. I said, wait, nobody's actually committed it to me. Like, yes, of course there was a conversation कि part 2 करेंगे और हम करेंगे. वो बात हुई थी मेरी. उसको भी बहुत टाइम हो गया. I said, हाला में करी. Lately, I don't know what is the update on it. So, I don't know. So, I actually stopped from answering that question and I said, I really wouldn't know. Whenever I think it gets announced, I guess everybody will know then. And then after that interview, I think when I had asked, मैंने कहा, hi, इस पे क्या हो रहा है? And then the way that conversation went, I kind of figured that it's going to go a different route. But who it was and where it was, I also found out much later. Means I guess when it was actually announced.
I'm going to ask you a very, very tough question now, which you have to be honest about. Do you think you would have done a better job and the movie would have been better if you were there in Dream Girl 2?
Then you can ask me this question about any film, not just the one I was replaced from, and I will still not have an answer to give you. Not have an answer. Till I actually don't do it. Till I actually don't
You've
play
done
that
Dream
part.
Girl.
But the part is different. Lines are different. Role is different. As an actor, do I ever think of इसने ये film की है but मैं इससे better कर सकती हूँ? I would never say it. Even if it is not my own film. I look up to a lot of actors' work, yeah, and a lot of films I wish I could have done. But that is the greed in me to want to do that part. Would I ever say, अरे मैं इससे better कर सकती हूँ? मेरे DNA में नहीं है, नयन है ही नहीं. I don't know how to bring that thought in my mind and body. I feel like even thinking it, I would do grave injustice to the fact that I've chosen to be an actor and be in this profession, because acting is a very personal thing.
Yeah.
Every actor brings something absolutely different on screen. You cannot say इससे better होगा या worse होगा. वो उसका version है. वो director का vision है. उसको वो चाहिए, वो है.
But if the director comes to you with a Dream Girl 3, would you do it?
Of course I would do it. Like I said, I don't want to live in resentment. I don't want to have any of these things inside me.
Did they reach out ever after the film released, before the film released, or anything like out of courtesy? Did they reach out to you and speak to you?
Sipping my coffee on that.
But you don't hold any grudges about that.
I can't, Nayan. You please understand the world, this industry. More than this industry, being a girl, only child, literally not having too many people. You to know me. I can count and tell you how many friends I have. I don't even have friends that are actual friends. I'm telling you, very recently I've helped some new person out in something with a very open heart, thinking, "Arey yaar, good soul, good human. Let's, chalo mere liye kisi ne nahi kiya. I'll do it for someone else." Yeah, and I said it also. I said, I wish somebody had done something like this for me. It would have meant a lot to me. That person has become thankless. That person is like, oh. I said, really? I mean, like, dude, I would not do this for anyone. I've actually never done this for anyone. तो दुनिया इतनी mean, इतनी cutthroat, इतनी calculative is the word. Everybody is so calculative here. They don't actually trust a real bond or a relationship for anything, or a real thought or a real gesture for anything. There's no value for it. उसके अंदर मैं ये सारी negativity अंदर रख के कैसे जीऊँ?
True.
How do I survive? I'm sorry. I come first, right? Like my health, my sanity is above everything else. So if I only keep fostering this inside me, how do I deal with the other 50 things that are happening in my life? How do I get through my day and my life? I can't.
But tell me something. When you look at, like you spoke about being a woman in this industry, also it comes with a lot of safety protocols, right? And there are safety issues that women go through on a daily basis in society at large, not just in the industry. Has there ever been a point when you were debuting, or even after? There are many people who've actually faced it even after debuting, even after delivering films, especially women, where they've been sexually propositioned for any part. Has that ever happened, and how did you deal with it?
Actually, Nayan, whether it was the fact that I was always looked upon as a character actor or somebody who was not, I guess, from the lens of a man's gaze, a desirable heroine. I guess maybe that's why I kind of skipped that side of life, which I know a lot of people have probably faced and gone through. Either it's that, or the fact that in my initial years, I've gone everywhere with my mother. My mother has come to every audition of mine with me. Actually, not audition, but maybe shoot. Audition तो मैं अकेली जाती थी. Shoots पे, I would, in the first few films, my mom was there. Whether it was outdoor, whether it was Bombay, whether I started with television also, so my mom used to be on.
So, any co-star has never hit on you?
Co-star? Oh, अच्छा वहाँ जा रहे हो? मैं तो अलग दिन में.
नहीं मैं वो तो ऐसे बातों में पूछा मैंने.
No यार, I think every co-star of mine has either been in a relationship or has been married. Throughout all my films, अब कोई भी film उठा लो, every co-star of mine has had a girlfriend from either the same unit, outside unit, or has been married. So no. And again, I'm telling you, I'm a very clear person. If I bro you, then I bro you. And I think it's a vibe.
But you've broed everybody then.
I mean, if they're not single, then yeah.
I'm sorry to say, but 2020 mein I did an interview with you and your mother told me in my interview that now we are going to force her to get married and now she has to listen to us. बहुत time हो गया है.
5 साल चले गए.
5 साल चले गए. क्या हो क्या रहा है बहन जिंदगी में?
मैं क्या बोलूं? देख, I'll tell you. For me, there are some things that are
negotiable.
Correct. So if I know you're with someone else and if you're in a relation with someone else or you're flirting with someone else and I can see that, and trust me, women know.
But you're trying to say that you've not been in a relationship.
No, not a committed one where you can say, okay, now we are in this relationship. And trust me, I crave it. I'm not someone who likes doing, oh, let's just see, we're testing waters, or we are in, what is that rubbish things going on, situationship.
Oh God.
Stop it, guys. Like, really stop it.
How do you take dating rumors then? Because you've been linked up.
Yeah, but that, I'm so just glad there is a rumor.
In love, sir.
I'm so glad there is a rumor and this has also come out. Because I'll tell you what, जिनका actually affair होता है और उनका rumor आता है, तो वो थोड़े ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि भाई नहीं, मैं तो खुश हूँ कुछ आया because और कुछ है ही नहीं. मैंने कहा भाई, actually कोई relationship नहीं है, actually और कोई लड़का नहीं है, तो वो तो आने वाला है नहीं, because दिखेगा ही नहीं किसी को. तो जो ऐसे एवे गए 1-2 आ गए, मैंने कहा चलो कुछ तो है. In rapid fire, I have an answer to give. Otherwise, what should I say?
But you know, not many people know this that Nushat was doing interviews. हमको screeners आए थे, छोरी 2 के, और मैंने देख लिए थे. And I watched it late at night, and I thought that wouldn't be a good time to message her. I didn't want to message her actually. I wanted to call her, and I thought that this wouldn't be a good time to call her. And the next morning, the moment I woke up, the first thing I did is I called her, and I think you were in the middle of Zoom interviews or something, and she's like, "Ah, jaldi bol." I'm like, "Mujhe to, acha, I'll tell you later." But I've just like, "You watched the movie?" And you're like, "Wait."
And then paused the interview. I shut the video and I shut the voice. And my PR writer, they don't know that I did that. They were like, "Oh, kuch ho gaya hoga Nusrat ko." It was Nayan calling.
And she cried on that call. I will take that to my heart because. You remember that Anmol Jamwal wala comment जो मैंने बोला था, which it's a fact. A lot of people, you know, Chori 2, people may have liked it. People may have liked Chori more, Chori 2 more. It's all a conversation. But one thing that people agree on is that you don't get the ideal opportunities. It's a story about not giving up, right? Eventually, both Chori and Chori 2 are stories about women not giving up. Has there, you've seen success, you've seen failure. Have there still been moments where you felt like giving up? Like a film like Akashvani, today it's being discussed so much. And it was one of your first films. Like, did it hurt you when it didn't work?
Yeah, very badly. Very bad. It would have hurt me a lot even if Chori 2 had not done well or not.
I know that.
Been appreciated. It would have really hurt me. I don't think I would be sitting here and doing this interview. I would be sitting in my bed under a quilt crying. So the thing is, I can be the happiest and the loveliest person when you meet me, but there are very few people, or not even few, maybe one person, or my mother maybe, who knows that when I come home, I sit on a bed and I cry. I cry because it hurts. It hurts. And it's not easy. It's not easy to put yourself out there as an actor. because you are putting yourself vulnerably out there to be judged. Whether you like it or not, everybody is going to watch your performance and they're going to judge it. Whether they're actors, they're directors, producers, or audience, they're going to watch it and they're going to form an opinion about you. And trust me, that's the harshest thing we do to ourselves. It's very difficult to be an actor. I don't know how to forget the other nitty-gritties and other, flip-flaps that you feel, oh, what a life. Trust me, it is not easy to put yourself out there every day and let the world judge you and take that judgment. खुद से आप अपने आप को बाहर डाल रहे हो और बोल रहे हो ओके भाई नहीं पसंद आया, अच्छा लगा, अच्छा किया, इमोशन था, कनेक्ट था. We are putting ourselves, we set ourselves up for the hit,
But सच बता, do you also feel like you've not been given the opportunities that maybe you deserve?
Yeah, I do. I do believe it, and I do make that one-out call to the one-out friend and say, I said, yaar, why not me? Why? ये मुझे ऐसा क्यों नहीं मिलता है? मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों कोई नहीं करता है? क्यों? But I don't know, Nayan. I think I don't know how to say it actually. It's really tough because it's कैसे बोलूँ यार? समझ नहीं आता मुझे. Sometimes I feel like I do a better job at hiding it than actually saying it because I only know how much I have to put myself through or get myself up to be able to get through whatever I have to get through. And I don't want the world to see it and know it, honestly, because I'm happier if they just know this side of me. And that's with me, even in like personal relationships, even in friendships. If you hurt me, very seldom will I actually cry in front of you. I will cry behind you. I will cry nights and days behind you that shit, you really affected me and you really did a nasty one on me and I don't appreciate it. But I will not say it to you till I'm not done wiping those tears. So you will never see those tears. If you've seen my tears, guys, you're really fucking lucky because I don't just break down in front of people like that. I don't know how to do it. I will pick myself up. I will I will deal with whatever you've done to me. After 5 days, 10 days, a month, 2 months, a year, whatever it takes, I will pick up the phone and tell you, you know what, you did this to me. Okay. Now you don't affect me. Now I will not give another chance to you to let me get affected like that. But I did suffer because of you.
But I'm gonna give you a hug. You should always be happy.
Yeah.
And I hope God only listens and keeps those people happy who love seeing others around them happy. It's very difficult. It's very, very difficult to just be in a position and cheer the loudest for somebody knowing that it's not you. Hrithik Roshan did this meetup and somebody just brought it up that sir आप सबके लिए पोस्ट करते हो. अभी सलमान सर को भी पूछा गया है कि आप सबके लिए पोस्ट करते हो, कोई आपको सपोर्ट नहीं करता. And he said that maybe they feel that I don't need it, but actually everybody does. And ऋतिक रोशन को जब ये पूछा तो मैंने ही पूछा कि सर आपको बुरा नहीं लगता क्योंकि वहाँ पे मीडिया बहुत थी. There are so many times Nusrat I've called people and ये जताने के लिए नहीं है, genuinely करता हूँ और करता जाऊँगा. Where I've seen an interview or seen a conversation and I loved it. I've called them, messaged them, I love this. I've never got one. Never. अपने दोस्तों के अलावा मतलब who are my closest friends, nobody has ever thought कि okay इसको भी बोल देते थोड़ा. ये ना मैं ऐसा नहीं कि आप बोलते नहीं हो इसलिए मैं क्यों करूँ, ऐसा सवाल नहीं है. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार कभी कुछ नहीं किया क्या, मतलब होता है. I understand what you're going through and what you're saying because this is exactly what sometimes even I go through. But there was a point in your life, I had seen this interview with a brilliant interviewer who I absolutely love, Rudrani.
Yeah.
It's a brilliant conversation where you actually said that you almost wanted to give up after Akashvani didn't work. Yeah. Today, if you go on Reddit, people talk about it. There are unpopular opinions about how the movie should re-release. Even in my interview, there are comments where they've written, why don't you re-release Akash?
I've actually said this to Love Sir also. I said, sir, kar do re-release picture. Akashvani, I was a child. You know, you have to also understand that an actor is a human being, and they go through the same stages of life and understanding. So let's not be very harsh on them. I was a child when Akashvani was in front of me, and I didn't understand what marital rape meant. And for me to take the burden to emote it, and then the day we shot the scene, I have cried and cried and cried. Sir had to stop shooting and send everybody out. जो भी DOP, 2, 3, 4 close knit crew थी. Because I put my, the scene was, I was on the bed, right, and my husband was on top of me, and they took the shot. They cut the shot. And so Sunny is obviously here, and I'm lying like this, looking up at the ceiling. Sir said, cut. We've got this. We'll try another angle or whatever. And मैं दहाड़े मार के रो रही हूँ वहाँ लेटे हुए. To a point where everybody is like, cut हो गया. But मेरे से cut नहीं हो रहा था. तो मैंने कंबल डाल दिया. Like I said, I don't like people seeing me cry. मैंने कंबल डाल दिया कि कोई मुझे देखे नहीं, सुने नहीं. कंबल के नीचे रो रही हूँ. I kept crying. They waited for a few seconds कि she'll compose herself, but I wasn't being able to compose myself. They had to take the technical crew out. तो मतलब what I mean is मैंने अपने आप को वहाँ डाल दिया जहाँ मैंने इमेजिन कर लिया कि मेरे साथ ये हो गया है भाई, और मैं वहाँ ऐसे helplessly लेटी हुई हूँ, and I don't know what to do, and I couldn't cut that out of me. So when you do something that drastic in your life in a film, and then when it comes out, and आपको पता है मेरे आकाशवाणी के साथ मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था? I don't think they know this. God man, मैं दिल्ली में थी. मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त के पेरेंट्स दिल्ली में थे, and I do these things, like I like going and staying with parents. मुझे वो माँ पापा, किसी और की माँ, किसी और के पापा, उनके, मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो vibe. I randomly went to my friend's house in Delhi when my friend was in Bombay, and I stayed with his mom and dad alone. So even auntie said, बेटा we don't know her, पहली बार घर आई है. They said, but उसको रहना है. तो मैं आंटी और अंकल के साथ 4 दिन रही हूँ. जब मैं आंटी के साथ सुबह उठ के सब्जियाँ काट रही हूँ, उनके साथ चाय पी रही हूँ, अंकल आते तो मैं, वो मुझे राइड पे ले जा रहे हैं, कुल्फ़ी खिला रहे हैं. Randomly, I don't know why, I like spending time with
So nice.
parents. So and दिल्ली में थे, and आकाशवाणी रिलीज़ हुई थी. तो अंकल से, बेटा आपके पिक्चर देखने चले? मैं कहा हाँ अंकल चलो, मैं चलती हूँ, 3 जन जाएंगे. So मैं आंटी अंकल पिक्चर देखने गए. One of the theatres in Delhi, I don't know. Obviously I'm not that popular, so people don't recognize me. तो मैं बैठी हुई हूँ, फिल्म चल रही है, और कुछ 4 लड़के आके पीछे बैठते हैं, मेरे एग्जैक्ट पीछे. Then film is on, and they start thrashing the film. And I don't mean from a critical point of view, I mean from 4 boys wanting to have fun. When I was on screen going through rape, they were making it sexual. And I sat there and I froze. I couldn't move left or right. I said, हाँ, लाउड कमेंट्री चल रही है जहाँ मैं रो रही हूँ, और मैंने वो सब किया है, और तुम ये कर रहे हो. एंड अंकल एंड आंटी लुक्ड एट मी से, बेटा लेट्स गो, चलते हैं. बिकॉज ये 4 लौंडे अपनी मस्ती में आए हैं, उनको नहीं समझ आ रहा है. आई लुक्ड एट आंटी अंकल एंड दे आर माई फ्रेंड्स पेरेंट्स. हाँ, मेरे भी नहीं है. तो इमेजिन माई लेवल ऑफ एम्बेरसमेंट. मैंने कहा नहीं आंटी, आज तो पूरा देख के जाऊँगी मैं. मैंने कहा मैं यहीं बैठूँगी, ये जो बोलेंगे मैं सुन के जाऊँगी पूरा. आई थिंक आई नीडेड टू नो किस लेवल तक आप ये कर सकते हो. नैन वो फिल्म ख़त्म हुई है, लाइट्स ऑन हुए हैं, ये लोग हंसते हुए और मजाक, और दे क्रैक जोक्स अबाउट एवरीथिंग ऑफ माइन, एवरीथिंग. नैन, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. I got up, I turned around, and I just stared at the 4 of them. They understood it was me. Suddenly silence, हंसी गायब, सब ने अपनी शक्लें नीचे की, और एक लाइन में लिटरली वो लोग भागे हैं थिएटर से बाहर, and I just watched them leave. I didn't say anything to them. But it broke me. It broke me to a point where I could not act for 2 years. I could not watch another film or anybody else act for 2 years. I just sat at home.
What got you back? You have spoken about the fact that you also battled a really, really low time mentally during that entire brief period. And your family, of course, your support system got you back. But what is it that actually like got you back?
I think that fire inside me, yaar. Maybe that one thing inside me saying, फिर से करते हैं, फिर से एक बार उठते हैं, फिर से करते हैं.
See, I will always say this. This is not my last question. It should have been in the ending, but I'll keep calling you after every movie because it's not. That day also I said this, that sometimes now you need, and you said it, that sometimes you need that one call. You never know what you can do to somebody with that one call, and I hope the industry today is noticing, because the industry can see that they're going through a really bad time. Shahid Kapoor has said it and put it so wonderfully well on Neha Dupia's show. Like, हमारे time पे भी होते थे actors who come from film families, but the right ones were getting the right opportunities. You are meddling and with the film industry in a way where you are putting the standards down.
Yeah.
So audience is smart. Audience is smarter than what it was. So of course you have to give those artists more positioning. But at the same time, Nusrat, there's also a lot of trolling that happens on a daily basis. Faceless people, when you're talking about negative things that are said, you looked at them in the eye. But there are sometimes you don't know who to look in the eye. Does that bother you? Because you've battled a phase where you've gone through depression, you've come out of it. Does it ever get to that point where you feel scared, ki what if this pulls me back to that zone?
From the time I have come on Instagram, and I don't say this with any, I really don't read things, Nayan. Whether it is, I think like I said, I don't need that attention. I don't need to see what people are writing on my comments. I don't need to see how many people have liked it, not liked it. I don't need it. So I don't actively go and check it and read it. But am I not aware? Do I not have an ecosystem that tells me that ये सब लिखा जा रहा है? Of course I do. And I know that there are people who are writing it. And then when someone tells me, तो मैं शायद जाके देख भी लूँ. मैंने कहा अच्छा ऐसा क्या है भाई कि क्या लिख रहे हैं? तो maybe I'll scroll down 10-20 comments. उससे ज़्यादा मेरा इंगली भी थक जाती. मैंने कहा नहीं हो रहा. पता नहीं, I think मैंने अपने अराउंड ना एक वर्ल्ड बना लिया है जहाँ पराये लोग cannot.
But recently, if you have noticed, if you've seen that video, जहाँ पे you are on the ramp and you
the fashion show.
Yeah, how do you take that? Like where you've like asked somebody to like move aside for the designer to come. What actually happened?
पता है मुझे समझ नहीं आता that I think we live in a world where there is sense. Hi, Nayan sense. I feel like you can see something and judge it for what it is. Yeah, there is no model like a showstopper in the history of modeling, at least from the time I have seen it, जिसको आपने पैसे देके showstopper के लिए बुलाया है to support these college kids, school kids who are new designers, so that I walk the ramp and I support them for what they are, right? That girl who was standing there was not a model. She was one of the kids. She was one of the designers from that school. Which is why she doesn't know there's a term called open center. It's a very basic term in a ramp walk. जो सेंटर है आपको उसको ओपन करके ही खड़ा रहना होता है. Because forget me, चलो मैं शो स्टॉपर हूँ, बट जो बाकी लोग भी आ रहे हैं, other designers, other kids who are walking behind her should also be seen. So you stand on the side, no matter where, you open center and stand till everybody is not finished walking. अब मैं backstage थी, I was told that your designers are going to be standing next to that grill. You go to them, take them, and then with them you go center stage. That is the point. A showstopper is supposed to come front of stage, not stand behind people. मतलब walk तो मैं कहीं भी कर लूँ. You know what I mean? I'm on that platform for a certain purpose. जो कपड़े आपने मेरे लिए बनाए वो दिखने हैं. जो मैं आपके इसको वैल्यू ऐड कर रही हूँ वो दिखना है. Now from there they had told me that you go and bring them there in open center. Now when I'm walking, I'm seeing somebody is in front of me and it's just very basic that, hey, you know, even if a model has picked a wrong line, another model will say, okay, baby, you'll have to go left, you'll have to go right, because that's the marking of the walk. That's the mark. It's called choreography. It's choreographed
Yeah.
for a reason. So, ab main gayi, the sound was very loud because there was music playing for me to be able to tell her that. And even if I told her open center, उसको समझ नहीं आता because she's not a model. नहीं तो model होती तो मैं बोल देती, hi, open center, open center. तो वो खुद ही shift हो जाती. But because she was not a model, she was one of the students. I don't think she even knew that she was standing in the center and blocking other people. मेरे पहले भी 4 लोग चले हैं जो नहीं दिखे हैं किसी को, because वो center में खड़ी थी. So I came and I just held her and I said, darling, hi, you know, we need to get the ones who have actually designed my outfit here. And I called them here because they went on the side. Even they didn't know what else to do. So because they were all kids and they had no idea, and I was told from the back कि आप जाके ये correct कर लेना और अपना position, because showstopper मैं थी, मैंने 50 show करे, so I know how it's supposed to go. So I was only asked to go and course correct it or auto correct it, because over there who's going to tell them? Who's going to scream from the sides and do any auto adjustment? Nobody's going to be able to do it. भाई तो मैंने वही किया जो मुझे बोला गया था, और जो नॉर्मली होता है, a showstopper always comes on front stage head ramp. अब मैं इसका क्या करूँ? मैं इसका क्या करूँ?
Did you laugh at the comments?
No, I saw it and I said, ठीक है, okay. I don't think any model, I don't think any designer, I don't think anybody from Lakme Fashion Week or anybody who's done shows will be able to not see what it is for. So the ones
Yeah.
who are thinking कि क्या कर दिया, maybe the ones who don't know ये कैसे होता है, or are not aware कि okay, this was a course correction been told to do. कहाँ से लाऊं मैं, क्या बोलूं?
But it's okay. You can't put sense in all of them. What I can always tell you is that post Chori 2, I hope that you get the offers that you desire, the offers that you deserve. Okay, and there is a shift in people's opinions and more so the industry's outlook towards you, because that's very, very, very important. And hopefully you will give us many, many more films where I'm gonna give you a call. And those tears will only be happy tears.
Done.
Thank you for doing this. But of course, जाने से पहले I have a gift for you.
Gift for me?
Of course. So, I have a wonderful gift from Myntra for you. And this I want you to see. I hope you like it.
Thank you. Do you have to open the whole thing?
Yeah, you can open and see what I have
पूरा
gifted you.
packed है. अच्छा okay.
हाँ.
नहीं. खुलेगा.
I know you are very high on fashion, so
Oh, it's so cute. I don't have a tan bag. Oh my god.
I am just happy.
I love this. It's a burgundy tan. I love it, dude. I really don't have a color like this, and you're gonna see it on me.
yes.
You're gonna see it on me. I really like it. It's perfect, and it's got both that like crossbody sling and also this, which is. Man, thank you.
Thank you for doing this, and lots of love, because I feel like you deserve all the love, like genuinely with all my heart. And
Thank you.
you can also shop all these trendy styles only from Myntra.